She used to play piano a lot and she used to get beaten by her parents back in China.
How nice is this moment?
And if one note goes wrong, pyang, one note goes wrong, pyang.
Eyes closed.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our another vlog. ये देखो भाई गेट पे खड़ी है, गेट पे खड़ी रो रही है. She's been crying on the door only. She's not even entering her godmother's house. So देखो, see, look at her. As you guys already know, every time we come to her godmother's house, she starts crying. And there's my mother. She's sitting over there. We just had some food. It was so hard to, eat food with this baby crying all the time. She is still crying?
Yes.
Oh, go take her for a walk. I don't know why. And what is she doing? Hey, Sherry, you got a keyboard.
Yes.
I didn't know that. Do you play?
No, not anymore.
Not anymore. So you used to play it.
Yeah.
Then what happened? Why did you stop playing?
Forgot how to play it.
But actually, there's this app which is called Floki. Have you heard about it?
Oh.
It's a really nice app. Gives you a real-time feedback and everything. Let me show you.
Okay.
So if you just start playing it, can you turn it on? And let's just start playing and I'll show you. This app is really useful.
Yep. Okay, let's try.
Let's try. So just open your App Store or your Play Store and look for Floki. Just simply download it and you're in. The best part about it is that it has 7 days free trial option as well. Floki actually listens through your device microphone or MIDI connections and tells you whether you are playing the right notes or not. This is one of the biggest strengths for beginners. Also, you can choose the songs by level and genre, including classical, pop, film, TV, jazz and many more. This makes practice feel more enjoyable and less like traditional homework. You can also slow down the song and repeat difficult sections until you get them right. This is especially useful when learning tricky hand coordination or fast passages. Floki lets you practice each hand separately before putting both hands together, which is very helpful for beginners, to be honest. And one thing more, you don't need a special instrument. It works with acoustic pianos, keyboards and digital pianos as well. So here's the Floki app, okay? And I have this because, as you know, my partner, she used to play piano a lot and she used to get beaten by her parents back in China because they were that strict if she play any wrong key. So yeah, this actually helps her and I think it will help you as well. So here you go. Choose any song of your choice. You can play it and then you can play it simultaneously on this keyboard. You can set the rhythm, choose your own pace and give it a try. Like this is one song, let's say, yeah? Jingle Bell you are choosing? Okay.
Yeah.
Now try to copy it. Do you find it easy? Looking at that? And it is actually has a mic. It is listening to whatever keys you are playing.
Oh,
and if you play any wrong chord, see, it stopped right there when you played the wrong chord. So it's actually a really good app. If you guys are also planning to, learn some keyboard, some piano, you can look into it. Just download the Floki app and it's amazing. I'm telling you, it's mind-blowing. And it has got a 7-day free trial as well. If you just want to have a look into it before buying any yearly subscription, it's worth it. And if you use my link and code, then you can get 60% off your yearly subscription. She's telling the story of her getting beaten while playing the piano, huh? Again at it.
Really?
What happened?
I was playing it when I was 7 years old. We have a keyboard at home.
Yeah.
And then my mom was sending me to learn the lessons every week.
Yeah.
And from then on, I have to practice every day.
Yeah.
And if one note goes wrong, pyang, one note goes wrong, pyang.
बचपन में piano सीखती थी.
Yeah, I was crying when I was playing. So now I remember nothing, seriously.
Don't
I don't
worry.
know how.
This
yeah.
Floki app will help you. Trust
And
me.
he won't beat me, right?
Yeah, I won't beat you. बचपन में सीखती थी piano. तो इसके घर वाले, इसके मम्मी पापा इसको बहुत मारते हैं जब भी गलत बजाती थी. And your mother also wants to start learning it, right?
Yes.
See, I think it's gonna help you all.
Nice.
Is she still crying or is she fine?
She fine playing here.
So are we good to go?
Yes, I feel just.
We're so sorry, Sherry.
No,
I mean,
no.
Ever since we came here, she's been just crying. Didn't even let her have a good lunch. But yeah, that's her.
Okay.
That's the life with the babies.
Yeah, it's getting there.
Yeah.
She's just wanting me.
I hope one day there will be an app to control the babies crying as well.
One day I definitely will take her for shopping.
Yes, yes.
अभी देखना है, अभी रोने लग जाएगी. ये देख. अभी रोएगी. कितना ही खेल लो. और रो पड़ी. और रो पड़ी. और रो पड़ी.
Maybe she's in the age.
Yeah. Slowly and steadily she'll get.
Not age, not even 1 year old.
It's getting better.
Yeah. Yeah, I can tell, yeah.
She gets interesting to people now. At least.
Okay, okay, okay.
Oh, excited.
तो भाई इसकी गॉड मदर की घर से आ चुके हैं सेंट हेलियर्स बीच पे थोड़ी बढ़िया सी वॉक के लिए, क्योंकि भाई किस्मत से धूप निकल गई भाई. आसमान देख रहे हो कितना क्लियर है, जबकि आज का वेदर बहुत खराब रहा है. सुबह से बारिश हो रही थी और वेदर फोरकास्ट में भी दिखा रखा था कि भाई बहुत बेकार वेदर रहेगा, लेकिन थैंकफुली थोड़ी देर के लिए हमें लगता है कि विंडो खुल गई है और अच्छा मौसम हो गया था. मैं कहा चलो मम्मी बीच पे लेके चलते हैं बढ़िया आपको सेंट हेलियर्स बीच पे. भाई वहाँ तो बैठ के इसने कुछ नहीं व्लॉग बनाने दिया. हमने इतना बढ़िया लंच किया, पिज़्ज़ा वगैरह खा रहे थे, लेकिन पूरे टाइम में इसको या तो गोदी में बैठ के बाहर लेके घूमता रहा या अपना इसको चुप करा के कैसे ना कैसे खिलाता रहा. इसने नहीं वहाँ पे बैठ के कुछ भी बनाने दिया. कैसा लग रहा है मम्मी? बहुत अच्छा.
मजा आ रहा है. ऐसी मीठी मीठी हवा चल रही है.
मीठी मीठी. अच्छा.
What's meaty meaty?
She's saying the winds are very sweet.
Sweet. Oh, is it?
Is it sweet? Taste it. Open your mouth. Okay, ये इसमें तो मिट्टी है, ये कहाँ से स्वीट है? Let's go to the playground. तो भाई प्लेग्राउंड पे लेके चलते हैं. देख 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 इसके काम.
मजा आ रहा, मजा आ रहा ना मजा.
बढ़िया तेज हवा चल रही है भाई, इनको मजा आ रहा है फुल ऑन. चलो इसको स्विंग पे लेके चलता हूँ, स्विंग पे बैठाता हूँ, देखते हैं भाई ये कैसा फील करेगी. ये भाई बच्चा रो रहा है यहाँ पे किसी का.
Be careful, okay? Oh. Oh. How nice is this moment? How nice is this moment?
Is it?
Just made me cry.
What happened?
Nothing. Oh, so good.
चलो कदे टूट जा सच्चे.
ना टूटे मजाक करूँ तो मैं तेरे वजन से ना टूटे.
अयो
No, I just had food.
वो है. वॉशरूम जाना हो तो वहाँ पे टॉयलेट. कैसे बच्चे चढ़ चढ़ के जाते हैं यहाँ पे. डर नहीं मानते माँ बाप. बच्चों को चोट भी खाएंगे पड़ेंगे तो मैं.
For climbing, right?
हाँ.
Yeah.
Like this.
You don't have to show me with her. I understand.
She's going to the washroom.
Okay, okay.
Every time I have noticed one thing. Every time she sees her, she's a public toilet. this country.
Yeah.
She's like, I need to go.
Let go. What's wrong?
No, nothing's wrong. I'm saying there's a very small, intricate detail in it.
Yes.
Ever since she experienced the public toilets in New Zealand,
Yeah.
she's like, I've never seen such clean public toilets. Obviously, because in India you can never find it.
The sand goes into my mouth.
Lick it.
No, every bite is like
Sweet.
no.
Sweet winds.
Sandy. Call me Sandy.
Wow, so this is so relaxing. Even better than that.
That net, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Do you want to kick? Okay, I'll kick in between, okay? Don't be afraid. I'll just aim in between your legs, but I won't hurt, okay?
Feels like you're planning something.
What can I plan, huh?
Anyhow, you don't want the second kid. You have been very strong on it.
I won't do anything bad, I promise. The baby is looking interesting. 小宝贝，小宝贝。
Wow, look at this view. Show the view. On our right, we have this amazing beach. Then we are just by the beach. Take out the sky. I just love it. I just love this New Zealand culture and New Zealand amazing, amazing lifestyle. So good. It's fine. It's fine.
What is fine? I want you to enjoy.
I am enjoying. No more kicks, please.
Why?
Yeah.
I want to kick.
Wow, आगे पे इसकी दादी.
Mom wants to try?
I'm pretty sure she wants to try.
Okay, later. It's her turn. It's her turn.
मैं बैठ सुनाऊंगी
ना आप बैठो.
बैठ जा इसमें बैठा जाए उत्साह है
पड़ मत जाइए.
ये उत्साह है
नीचे जाओगे तो नीचे हो.
कदे उतरा ना जा
उतरा भी ना जा. ऐसा भी हो सके. रहने दे.
बैठ गई
बैठ गई.
Push.
Shoot her, you shoot her.
Okay, you push, okay. Gentle.
भेजना मेरे पास
जा.
Oh,
Lead
nice.
लेट जा. लेट क्यों नहीं लेट?
लाइसेंस दे
Fun?
हाँ बेबी वैसे
Relaxing. Looks very comfortable.
She's saying I feel like sleeping here.
Okay.
मजा आ रहा है अम्मी.
सो जाऊंगे अरे
बढ़िया ठंडी ठंडी हवा चल रही है. चेहरे पे हल्की हल्की धूप लग रही है.
मजा आ रहा है
भाई सच में मैं भी जब यहाँ लेटा हुआ था ना, मेरे को भी ऐसा फील हो रहा था कि मैं सो जाऊँ. I was also feeling like sleeping when I was on this. Trust me, you should try it. It feels very comfortable.
यस
Help her getting down.
No more?
अब देखते हैं भाई. ओ उतर तो गई भाई. You try it now. Trust me, it's really amazing.
मजा
You don't push me crazy, okay?
I won't.
I will jump.
No, I won't.
लो
Okay.
eyes closed
Don't worry. Nothing.
Daisy.
Busy? हाँ. इसने चक्कर आ गए.
Car sick.
hey 1 minute
Car sick.
लो
Thank you.
You're a weird girl.
I had food.
We also had food.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go for a walk then.
Yes. Low tide. There are people just now collecting some shells over there.
Yeah. चले मम्मी बीच पे. बीच पे चलोगी या वेट होगी?
Oh, sand coming to my eye.
Coming into your eyes, you're very
It's really windy.
वो सामने रंगी टोटो आइलैंड है। क्या ही जन्नत जिंदगी है यार, मजा आ गया।